Chapter 2. Computer Software. What you'll learn. Operating System Software. Types of operating systems. Operating systems for mobile devices. Application software. Software is the program or instruction that runs a computer system. Software works with hardware, in which software provides the instructions and hardware actually carries out the work. Software is the set of instructions used to direct the operation of the hardware, causing it to solve some problems. Software is the communication link between hardware and users. There are two types of software. Operating system software. Application software. Operating system software, it controls the basic functions of a computer. Application software, it handles multitudes of common and specialized tasks a user wants to perform, such as counting, communicating, etc. Operating system software. An operating system, OS, is a set of programs containing instructions that work together to coordinate all the activities among computer or mobile hardware resources. Look at the functions of the OS. Start and shut down a computer or mobile device. Provide a user's interface. Manage programs. Manage memory. Coordinate tasks. Configure devices. Establish an internet connection. Monitor performance. Provide file management and other device or media-related tasks. Updating operating system software. Control a network. Administer security. Types of operating systems. Operating systems usually come preloaded on any computer that we buy. Mostly people use the same operating system that comes preloaded, but we can also upgrade or even change the operating systems. There are mainly three types of operating systems. Operating systems. Windows, Linux, MS-DOS. Windows. Windows is a series of operating systems developed by Microsoft. Each version of Windows includes a graphical user interface with a desktop that allows users to view files and folders in Windows. For the past 2 decades, Windows has been the most widely used operating system for personal computers, PCs. Some versions of Microsoft Windows are given below. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. Linux. Linux is the best known and most used open source operating system. As an operating system, Linux is the software that sits underneath all of the other software on a computer, receiving requests from those programs and relaying these requests to the computer's hardware. Popularity of the Linux is because of the following reasons. It is free and open source. We can download Linux for free and customize it as per our needs. It is very robust and adaptable. It has immense amount of libraries and utilities. Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Fedora, MS-DOS. MS-DOS stands for Microsoft Disk Operating System. It is a non-graphical command line operating system. MS-DOS was first introduced by Microsoft in August 1981 and was last updated in 1994. The picture given alongside is an example of what an MS-DOS window, more appropriately referred to as the Windows command line, looks like under Microsoft Windows. Code Byte. MS-DOS is no longer used as a main operating system today. Operating systems for mobile devices. Nowadays, the technology has brought in many changes in the working of the mobile phones. Mobile devices such as phones, tablet computers and MP3 players are very different from desktop and laptop computers, so they run on operating systems that are designed specifically for mobile devices. Examples of mobile operating systems include Apple iOS and Google Android. CodeByte. In October 2024, Apple introduced Apple Intelligence, a suite of advanced AI features integrated into iPhones, iPads and MacBook. These features enhance user experience by offering tools like writing assistance, notification summaries and image editing capabilities. Application software. Application software is specific to the task it is designed for and can be as simple as a calculator application or as complex as a word processing application. Types of application software. There are various types of application software as given below. Word processors. This software enables the users to create and edit document. The most popular examples of this type of software are MS Word, WordPad, Notepad, and some other text editors. Games. You can play many different types of games on the computer. Some of the games are pre-installed in the computer, while others can be downloaded from the internet. Some of the pre-installed games in Windows 10 are given below. Little Nightmares, God of War, Tekken 8, Microsoft Solitaire. Database. A database is an organized or structured information or data, typically stored electronically in a computer system. Database software allows the users to store and retrieve data from database. Media players. If you want to listen to songs or watch movies, you need to use a media player. Windows Media Player and Films and TV app are popular media players. Key takeaways. Operating system controls the basic functions of a computer. Modern operating systems use a GUI. There are mainly three types of operating systems: Microsoft Windows, Linux, and MS-DOS. Database software allows the users to store and retrieve data from the database. Windows Media Player and Films and TV app are popular media players.